Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store colors. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So here, as you can see, currently we are on our Shopify store, and from here we can head over to our online store and then click on themes. Once you click on themes, click on customize, or you can simply switch through your themes. Let's just set this particular theme, click on three dots, and we are going to be maybe customizing that. So once you head over to that, you will be able to see that my store color is now changed. But if you still want to change your store colors, you can go through these color schemes on the left side of your screen. Once you click on these elements and sections, you can see we have colors to change. Every property is almost available in here. So that's how you can easily change the colors of your Shopify store. And you can see the shade is now changed, and if I want to change the black color, I can do that as well. So yeah guys, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. You can see this is now changed. That's how you can change the Shopify store colors. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.